What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the Star Life and welcome to another video. Now in this video we're gonna be doing a room tour of my last apartment, the apartment I just moved out of. If you guys have been watching the videos, you guys know that I moved into a new spot because I needed more space, and more space I have. Just look at these ceilings, yeah. Look at that cool thing, and look at that cool thing, and that cool thing, and really just a bunch of freaking cool things. That being said, if you are just here because of the room tour and you are not subscribed, you don't have to subscribe if you don't want to. I mean, the focus of this channel is more men's clothing. I do a lot of thrifting. If you don't follow Thrift Row, change your life, THRIFTROW. It's gonna be somewhere on the screen in the description down below. So close to 13K followers. I talk about like Supreme releases and really just anything clothing related that I think I can resell and make money on. So that being said, if that does not interest you, you don't need to subscribe. You can watch the video. Hopefully you like it. You're a welcome guest on the channel. If you are interested in any of those things, of course, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and please smash the like button down below. If this video gets enough love, I will do a room tour or an apartment tour of my new space in about a month or so when I finish getting it set up. Yes, I will not wait until I move out. The reason I normally do that is because I'm always making changes. I feel like I'm always like cramming more stuff in, but with this new apartment, I'm trying to actually get rid of some stuff because I feel like I have way too much shit, which you will see in this video. So I'm trying to downsize a little bit and just, I don't know, not necessarily be a minimalist, but be less of a maximalist. But thank you guys so much for the support. Honestly, I would not be able to live in the space that I currently live in without you guys, and I wouldn't have really any of the stuff that I have if it wasn't for your support. So thank you. I mean, freaking A, like look at these ceilings. Ah! What is up, YouTube? Welcome to Star Life and welcome to MTV Cribs or YouTube Cribs. You're gonna see how a regular ass, basic, mid-sized YouTuber lives today. That being said, in this video, I'm gonna show you guys the inside of my living situation. A lot of you guys have asked about like certain things in my apartment. As you guys see, people going in, going out. It's like community center over here. But that being said, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I'm living. I'm gonna show you guys the inside, and the reason for that is because I am leaving. Yes, I am leaving the convenience store. I know it's convenient, but that being said, I need more space. This flower has bloomed, I've flourished and blossomed into a beautiful, okay, not beautiful, ugly ass rose. But that being said, I need more space to accommodate myself. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so we are at my humble abode. Moving on, I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I got going on here, right? This is like the kick it spot. No one uses this because no one's ever over at my house because I'm recording videos and I'm a fucking loser. Here we have the Supreme bamboo curtain. Now, if you look, mine's like janky as shit. Like, I don't know, that's sent from Supreme. Like, I got it off Supreme, but for some reason, the quality of these were terrible. In fact, it actually looks like my S is flipped upside down. I don't know. These things suck, but I do have some other pieces kind of throughout. Decor pieces. We got the H.R. Geiger deck. Some of the only decks I really care about keeping. I do have another H.R. Geiger deck over here as well. While we're over here, we might as well just talk about the thing that I'm asked about in literally every single video, which is about the plant wall, okay? And really the plant ceiling as well. So this plant wall, these things right here are like little squares that I got from IKEA for like $4 or $5 a square. That sounds really affordable until you want to do an entire wall. And yeah, like the whole thing cost me like $1,100, $1,200. It's a complete waste of money. And to be honest, I really regret doing it because it makes this place feel a lot darker. I think really what makes it feel darker is probably the ceiling. And I had some other plans I was gonna do with the nano leaves, but I just never ended up doing it. It's a huge hassle. I never ended up finishing it, and you guys will kind of see the unfinished product in a moment. That being said, a lot of these other plants though are all real. These vines that hang from the ceilings are all real. These all come from the pothos over here. And since this is not a plant channel, I'm not gonna get too in depth about what every plant is. I will say this right here is a dumb cane.
Stop telling me that I'm killing my plants.
It's meant to look like that, although there are a few times where like I might miss a day or two of watering because of that. Yeah, sometimes it looks a little bit droopy, but it's called a dumb cane. Now the reason it's on this tilt is because it normally tilts towards the sun. I had it facing away from the sun for quite some time. All right, so over here we have a couple Supreme accessories. We got the World Is Yours Scarface lamp. You got the Kaz figure. It's the only one I really care to have. You got the Supreme incense burner. I have some Supreme accessories like this like Supreme lock. I have the Mendini gun tray. This is really dope. One of my favorite accessories. I do have some accessories like the FTP Fucked incense burner. This little skull that I think I bought when I was like I think I bought this when I was in Europe. And my own personal little touch. Of course, we got 2 little pictures. This right here is painted by my grandma. My grandma's like a young Picasso with the paintbrush. She's doing her thing. Anyways, you also have this Blessed poster. For those of you guys that don't know, this was actually taken from when Supreme was doing this like Blessed campaign, or they were releasing a DVD. So this was actually taken off one of those walls in New York, and it was framed and put into a poster. I got that from my homie Cam over at Air Portland. Now, that being said, all right, I'm gonna sit in the little director's chair. Some of this stuff I'm probably gonna be getting rid of, honestly, on Robitussin and Poppy. Like, for example, this I'm probably gonna end up getting rid of. I don't really want to get rid of it, but I have a bunch of little things right here. We got the Palace record, we got the My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy, we got the Bone Thugs Look Into My Eyes record. For those of you guys that don't know, this was my first ever single. I got it from my brother, rest in peace, my brother Justin. We got the Travis Scott record, we got the Nirvana little Nevermind record back there. We also got this. Whoops. This is the Big Timer Still Fly record, for those of you guys that don't know. But yeah, we have some records and some books. Why I have books, I really don't know, because your boy can't even read. And we also have these Supreme little incense. These are like the actual incense. I don't ever use these. These are more like a decor piece. I do actually use incense because it reminds me of my mom. Now, getting into why I'm moving, we gotta go into the bedroom. We'll come back out in the living room. I'll show you guys some shit, but we gotta move into the bedroom. So first of all, here we have some graffiti. You have 38th, which was the street that I was raised on. You have OP, Oakland Park, 30, which is just me and some friends, some brands that I fuck with, and just, I don't know, dumb shit. You also have some holes in the door because I'm white. Of course, we have anger problems. But going into the rest of my room, if you look, I have no space. Like, there's boxes literally everywhere. There's clothes everywhere, clothes stacked up here. Like, I have literally clothes everywhere in this space. You also have my bed in the corner. That's where nothing happens. I literally have nothing. Like, I have clothes in that back closet back there I can't even get to right now because I'm literally just, I got clothes piled up everywhere, boxes piled up everywhere. I don't even have space for some of my boxes. Why are you texting me? I'm trying to film a video. We have a little sewing machine right here. Can't use it, which I'm hoping to actually get some use out of this and create some clothes. But going into the living room, I'm gonna show you guys, even with all those boxes, I still have boxes for another video coming up. That's why I need more space. Like, I feel like I can't create, and every time I try to make a video, I'm playing Tetris trying to move shit around, and like, I don't know, man. Now, also in this back corner, you guys have seen this many times. I'm not gonna go too in depth on this. This is the Live Cop Center right here, the command center of sorts. You got this screen up here because I don't have enough desk space. I usually put YouTube videos up here. I got some other little figurines. You have this external GPU for the Mac, which was a complete waste of money. The Mac, little cool thing, hard drives. I don't even like being here because all I can think of when I'm sitting at this desk are high traffic errors from Supreme when I'm trying to buy on Thursday morning. Now, moving over, you got the entertainment center right here. First of all, why is my heat on? That's fucking money, and I'm not gonna be able to live cop Supreme. I'm spending money on heat. Now, that being said, I don't really use this that much, to be honest. I'm probably not even gonna keep this TV when I move. I just feel like I don't need a TV. I mean, I do have the Xbox and the PlayStation, but let's be real. First of all, I have the old ones because I'm broke. And second of all, I don't even really get to play them. Last game I played was Final Fantasy VII, which was an amazing game. Anyways, I do have this. This has been in almost every room tour. It's like this little figurine coming out of the wall. This was actually given to me by my homie Tay Acuff in Boise, Idaho when I was actually still in the military. So that stayed with me. Also, same with this little hand thing right here, and a mold of my teeth. I don't know why that's there. That looks very serial killer-esque. I got some shoes. I got, you know, the little Palace Bear. I got some more shoes back here. I got the Off-White shoes. We got this little Christopher Kites necklace, little Akira Supreme tray, Mastermind, little sticky notes, Boost Ball, random little accessories, Vandy the Pink Chanel Forces. We got the South End Seattle Mariners hat right here. This right here, the Seattle Mariners obviously being the local team out here, and then South End, which is the neighborhood that I was raised in. And then some of the other accessories, we have the Bodega incense chamber. Then we have the glass table. One thing I love about this table is it makes it feel like there's way more space in my apartment because, I don't know, it just doesn't have this very obtrusive, I don't know what it is. What the fuck is it about glass? Can some of my interior designers out there please help me figure out why it feels so much more spacious, or it looks like there's so much more room than there really is when I have this glass table instead of a normal table. So for this right here, we have the closet. You guys already saw this is like a little IKEA closet thing that I got. This closet over here, which has just literally clothes everywhere. I need to do a collection video. If you guys would like to see that, smash the like button down below. Show some love in the comments. Yeah, man, I just, like, I have clothes everywhere, bro. Like, I cannot wait to move. I'll show you guys my kitchen real quick. I mean, there's really nothing to show. It's just literally boxes everywhere. And I'm definitely not showing you where I take a shit at because that's disgusting. Even though I will show you this section because this part of the bathroom looks cool. That shit, but anyway, so yeah, this part looks cool. I'm not gonna show you the rest of it because the rest of it just looks like clutter everywhere. Not to mention we got the, oh shit, okay, I haven't been working out. You got it. Hold on. Look, man, we got the Bowflex weights. Don't play with your kid, you know what I'm saying? Been working the guns out, you know, on quarantine, ready. Got the home gym on point, you know what I'm saying? That's really all I have, actually. Okay, so anyways, more shoes that I would like to not have in boxes because it just looks like a stack of boxes now. Ooh, and don't even get me started. Where's my phone at? Where's my phone? Yeah. Oh, look at that. You know, you dig? We got the fall whites. Fireworks. Don't get me started with the fireworks. Ooh, I don't even need to go out for the 4th of July, baby. We just staying right here. Ooh, you want to come to the crib and watch some fireworks? We got the fireworks show going on, going crazy, you dig? Ooh, and then we got fireworks and firecrackers. We got the best of both worlds. If you're trying to assassinate an epileptic individual, these right here are perfect. No, but in all seriousness, let me just try to change this to something that doesn't... Okay, all right. There we go. There we go. I don't want to save that. Okay. Anyways, these are actually super nice for setting up the lighting in your home. I will say that. And then the temporary clock, which I don't even know if that's on the right time, but I mean, it's off-white, so that's fucking cool. Oh, I forgot to shout out my homies over here, dude. Look at my homies. Look, we got the whole bear set right here. You know, we got the Supreme Box logo bear. We got the North Face bear. Do not sleep on my boy. He's got the mountain parka. Plus, he's got the freaking backpack that, yes, it does work, so he can store all sorts of illegal narcotics in here. This right here, obviously, I got this little plaque for getting over 100,000 subs. Although I'm at like 260 now, that still means the fucking world to me. That's so freaking dope to see that you guys support me. I would literally not be anything without you guys. So for everyone that does show love, if you guys rock with me, smash the like button, show love in the comments on all the videos. Every single person who does support me, like, I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I would not be shit without you. Every single thing I've showed you in this video thus far would not exist without you guys. So I do appreciate all you guys. I appreciate you guys for supporting me. And I think that's really important to kind of highlight because a lot of people almost feel like, I don't know, I just see a lot of YouTubers and it feels like they think their success is solely predicated off their hard work, which don't get me wrong, there is work that goes into YouTube that people don't see, but at the end of the day, like, I get to wake up and make videos while other people have to go to a job they hate. So without you guys supporting me, I would not be shit, and I appreciate you guys so freaking much. But yeah, man, that's basically everything. The main reason I'm moving, I need more space. I'm excited. It's a little bit more in rent, but I've lived here for freaking 6 years, and it's just time for a change. And the change is what we got, as you guys can see. I definitely have more space in here. Well, you guys can't really see too much, but I do have more space in here. It's like 15 to 20% bigger. But yeah, hopefully you guys like the video. Smash the like button down below. Like I said, if the video gets enough love, I will do an apartment tour of the new space. I'm still feeling somewhat cramped because I've been buying a lot of thrifted stuff to post on Thrift Row, and I haven't really been able to sell lately just because I've been so busy moving in, but that's gonna change. I'm finally moved in, almost done setting the place up, so hopefully you guys support the videos. Thrift video coming soon. If you guys rock with the thrifted content, I do got a thrift video coming very, very soon, and I already found a bunch of stuff, so it's gonna be a good one. But thank you guys for rocking with me. I do appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart. As always, keep living the star life in peace. The fuck out.
On star like Chris, straight shooting on magic. All these thoughts been ran through. Goddamn it, like back a chief keep drop. I don't like that shit. Lil Reese in the coupe clip, do a backflip.